This is a new product from Adco Marketing. It's a little sling bag. Isn't it cute, Grandma?
Oh my goodness, I love it.
It's so cute. It's got a lot of pockets. And my sister has one too, so you can twin.
Look at that. Hey, girl.
Hey, girl. And you can store lots of things. Like, what's in yours? I don't
Let's
know.
see.
I don't have
All kinds of stuff.
Oh, I'm sure.
Oh, I brought the sunscreen.
Oh, and I brought the logoed hand sanitizer, so you can
look
totally
at
stay
this.
healthy with Adco Marketing.
Oh my gosh, Vans.
Isn't it very special? You can put any logo on that, and then you can just sling it around the shoulder of your grandmother, so she can take all the product with her whenever she goes on an outing. And anything else, sis?
An outing?
An outing.
Would you mind describing this outing for me?
Well, you might take it to, what, a sleepover? Do you want to have a sleepover?
Chippendales, dancers.
Chippendale dancers, there's a lot of options. This new sling bag is just got a really nice cord,
Oh, this is
which we
nice.
love.
Side pocket right here,
What is
netting
this
for your
for?
water
Oh, it's
bottle.
definitely less than $10. Definitely.
Really?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh my
Well, thanks for
God.
stopping by Adco Marketing, our family-run business.